Want to keep a close eye on your iPhone's battery life? Enabling the battery percentage is quick and simple. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to enable the battery percentage on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the battery settings. Here, you will see the battery percentage option at the top of the list. Tap on the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Now you can see the battery percentage displayed in the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can enable battery percentage on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.